G'day Australia, Coram here from Universal Fuse. I'm in a new 2021 Hilux and we're playing around with the back doors trying to figure out the plug and play solution to add a speaker. So in this dual cab there are speaker allocations in the door, but there are no speakers fitted. Now in the old Hilux, if that was the configuration layout, there would be wiring in the door from here through to the front kick panels of the car, but no wiring between the kick panel to the audio unit. That has changed in some of the 2020 and some of the 2021 Hiluxes. There is now wiring that goes from the audio unit through right up to the B-pillar connector here. So on the inside of this B-pillar connector, the rear speaker wires run all the way to this point. However, they do not run into the door. A little bit of a dick move there by Toyota. So for a speaker pack for the rear of this vehicle, we're going to have to build something up with a bit of extra cable that comes from here through the grommet and into the kick panel on this side, into the B-pillar panel on this side. However, due to the block plug that's in here behind the B-pillar cover, it's going to make it very tricky to be plug and play. So it might be that there'll have to be some manual connections made at that B-pillar cover on the two speaker wires that are clearly visible there. So we'll work up some options here and try and get something together to make this as DIY and as plug and play as possible. But it looks like the solution, the rear speaker solution for the new 2021 Hilux will require two manual solder connections to have the rear speakers connected and activated. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button below, and we'll keep you apprised as we build together a pack that's going to make this as quick and easy for you to upgrade your rear speakers or add rear speakers to a 2021 Hilux for vehicles that don't already have them fitted.